Hi friends. Sometimes love doesn't arrive with fireworks or dramatic moments. It comes quietly, in the little things, in how a man makes her feel safe, seen, and understood without ever asking for anything in return. Most women don't fall in love because of expensive gifts or fancy words. They fall because of consistency, presence, and emotional connection. A woman begins to fall when she realizes he listens not just to her words, but to the silence between them. He remembers the details, not because he has to, but because he genuinely cares. The way he supports her dreams without ego. The way he respects her space without playing games. These are the silent reasons love sneaks in. It's in the way he handles her mood swings with patience, not judgment. How he celebrates her strengths and holds her together during her breakdowns. She falls when he makes her feel beautiful, not just on the outside, but in the way he admires her soul. She doesn't even realize it at first, but one day, she'll catch herself smiling at a text from him, missing him when he's not around, thinking about him in the quiet moments. That's when the heart has already chosen, without her permission, without a formal announcement. She has already fallen, and it's because he made her feel something rare in today's world: safe, valued, and genuinely loved. In a world full of noise and temporary attention, a man who gives her calm, respect, and emotional security becomes unforgettable. So remember, women don't fall for looks or wealth. They fall for how a man makes them feel. And when that feeling is real, she falls deeply without even realizing it. Share this video with a friend who needs to hear this. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more real, raw, and powerful content.